Today we're making what I call a Brixton Negroni. For some of you that know Negroni, it's a bitter drink. It's not for everyone. It's kind of like Marmite. You either love it or you hate it. But Negroni is often made with gin. Brixton thinks different. We think a Negroni should be made with rum. So here's how you make a Negroni. It's one of the easiest drinks that you will ever make because it is 3 equal parts. First, you start with a good block of ice. I'm going to start with that big block of ice there. And then we're going to put 25 ml of 3 ingredients in there. First, we're going to start with the most important, the rum. This is the Brixton Culture Capital rum. So 25 ml. The reason it's so simple is because it's 3 ingredients of equal parts. As usually you see it as red. It's red because of the Campari. So 25 ml of Campari. This is what gives it the red color. And then vermouth. This is one of my favorite vermouths. It's called Dolin. Most often you'll see people using red martini. It's usually a sweet vermouth, which balances the bitterness and gives it a lot of flavor. Now the reason I think rum makes sense rather than the gin, because the orange peel, the bitters from there, and the botanicals in the rum, it's really complements it. And then often you'll find that some people like to use a wedge or a slice of orange. Personally, I prefer a big slice of orange. I drink a lot of Negronis. So kind of there, and you can fold it or you can just drop it in. I just drop it in halfway. You stir it a little bit. If you want it to mix, just a little stir. And then you have what we call a Brixton Negroni. Delicious.